will introduce our production process. It includes cutting, punching, bending, welding, and powder coating. First of all, we will introduce our raw materials. Our material is cold rolled steel planes. For these areas, we purchase the material from Hefei Hangang Cold Rolled Sheet Company, which is very large and famous sheet company in China. We have different thickness of steel planes for options from 0.5 centimeter to 0.8 centimeter. Our regular thickness is 0.6 millimeter. The thickness can up to our customers' requirements. For the materials, we have strictly control for the high quality. Okay, this is the first production process. It's the cutting. For our products, we need to cut the whole steel plate into plate pieces like this. Our automatic cutting line divided into vertical cutting and horizontal cutting. By these two kinds of cutting, we could get steel plates with needed length and width. This cutting line is the vertical cutting line. Then we will show another horizontal cutting line. This line is the horizontal cutting line. It can cut 6,000 meters vertically and 7,000 meters horizontally per day. In this process, it is requested to ensure the flatness of the planes and get needed length and width. Then this is the second process, is punching. We need to punch the holes and designs for products. To meet the drawings and requirements, we have automatic numerical control punching machine and regular machine by hand. In this process, we need to ensure the design same as the drawings and ensure the precision of size. Like our experienced worker, he is punching the hole like this. Besides our workers, our QC team also will check the product parts in each process. For punch machine, besides the CM punch machine, we also have the automatic laser cutting machine for production. In our factory, we have 3 laser cutting machines. It is a high production capacity because it is more quickly and more exactly. We could make regular products, and the most important is that it could make the customer products without mold, so that it saves a lot of cost for our product customers. This process is the third production process. It's the bending. Each part is bending designed for lockdown structure so that our production could be assembled very well. We equip the automatic bending machines. In this process, we need to ensure the angle right and precision of bending parts. It makes assemble easily. The point is we add the bending to third bending. This design makes the products more stable and safer for our customers. Okay, this part is the automatic form lines. It's very convenient in production. This These lines make the cutting, punching, and bending together into a whole production line. Now we have the two automatic form lines for production. We will introduce in details. Let's go. By this automatic form line, the line is suitable for production of same parts. It's very high efficiency, such as doors and shell. That means the door is directly finished by this form line. Normally, 4,000 pieces doors and shapes could be produced per day by this form line. This is our new machine. It's called Huadu soft system. It's a very advanced system because it's very quickly and high efficiency. After this machine, the product is finished one. Okay, for this the machine of the Huadu system, it have many advantages. First of all, it's very convenient because it no need other machine. And second, it could finish at an average of 17 minutes per minute. Besides this, system could detect and automatically select materials to guarantee high quality veneers. This system reduces setup time, so it could improve production capacity. It's very good for our industry. It could finish at an average of 70 bending per minute. Besides this, it could detect. And it could detect. This is the fourth production process is welding. It needs to make a small parts together into the whole part, like this. You can see this part welding into the planes, so you can see the whole used planes. The distance of the welding point is 5 centimeters to 8 centimeters. It is very firm with small welding distance. By our automatic support welding machine, the welding point is small and uniformly distributed with obvious welding wheels, so that the surface of our furniture looks smooth and very good. Besides this, we have the NC welding machine. We will show you. Let's go. This is two machines for welding. They are developed by ourselves. In other words, it is the only two welding machines in over the world. They work with high efficiency. Okay, this process is the powder coating. It is the last process, but it's an important process. We need got our production coated with nice appearance. This is an important step for plant surface. We have two automatic powder coating lines. Each line have 400 meters with 50 steps. It will take 2 hours, the whole line. The long coating line make the steel sheet full free treatment without any impurities on the surface. We just now have talked about the powder coating lead 50 steps of pre-treatment. After that, is the powder coating. The powder and cleanse are firmly combined so that it is durable and dust-proof with nice appearance. Here we have 6 automatic coating guns for coating. Meanwhile, our experienced workers will coating again for somewhere deep cut for coat well. After 2 hours, this is the finished one after powder coating. Your order is ready. Please wait. Our product is clock down structure, so like this, the packing is a flat packing. And our regular packing is the 5-layer carton with this foam line. Of course, we can do special packing solutions for our customers, like this. Or we have the foam. So if you have any requirements for the packet, we can do it.